Let's check everything that comes with Motorola Signature. So first of all, as you can see right here, I have a brand new box. So we'll need to cut both of those stickers. Let me do it right here with the scalpel. First one and then the second. Now we can open the box and let everything in it fall. So we have a standard cardboard. Let's see what's inside. So here's all of the instructions. There's also a case, and this one is a hard plastic case. It's not a silicone, it's just a hard plastic, so keep that in mind. Then we have the phone itself. Then we can find a cable. And that is all of the accessories. So this device doesn't come with the charger. If you're wondering about the charger, it should be around or up to 90 watts if you want to buy one. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.